Bro, the dealership wanted to charge me $300 just to fix a bad tire sensor and get that little light off my dash. And I could not afford that, so I found this tire pressure monitor on a TikTok shop for a fraction of the price. All you gotta do is replace your valve stem caps with these, and it gives you an accurate reading of the tire pressure in all four of your tires. Now, this is great if you have an older car or a trailer that doesn't have tire pressure sensors. The monitor itself is solar powered, but you can also plug it in. What's crazy is you can get it while it's on a flash sale right now for only $13. But the sale's about to end, and these are always selling out, so I'll leave a link for it right down here so you can go check it out while it's still on sale.